Let's bring in Los Angeles City Councilwoman Traci Park. She represents the Pacific Palisades. Councilwoman Park, good to have you with us. We spoke with you on Wednesday, just 48 hours ago. I know you've been out surveying the damage left behind by the fires. Tell us what you're seeing and just some of the landmarks that have been lost in this neighborhood.
These last 3 days have felt like a nightmare that no one can wake up from. The scenes on the ground in the Pacific Palisades are apocalyptic. The scope and the scale of the loss is absolutely catastrophic. As we're starting to get these images of the scale and the extent of this loss, it is hard to get your head around the fact that this beautiful, thriving, vibrant, wonderful community that once was is simply no longer. A couple of landmarks remain in the Pacific Palisades, but the vast, vast majority of people's homes and businesses are just gone.
You wrote on Facebook, systemic failures and underinvestment in first responders will be addressed. You said, this is a wake-up call for change. Talk about what change you're referring to. Are we talking about the fire department budget, the water tanks and hydrants running dry? What is the change that needs to happen?
Both of those things are part of the changes that need to happen. Los Angeles has suffered from decades of underinvestment in critical infrastructure, as well as chronic underfunding of our public safety partners, including the LA Fire Department. We have about the same number of fire stations and firefighters in Los Angeles that we had 60 years ago, but we are now a population of 4 million people, and the calls for service have tripled. We have about 100 fire engines and ambulances sitting in a boneyard because we don't have adequate mechanics to fix them. Back at the end of December, we received a standards of cover report from our fire chief, Kristen Crowley, who indicated that based on current budget and staffing levels, we are not adequately prepared to address wildfires. And that same report indicated that not only are some of our emergency response times already in normal circumstances twice the national standards, but just here in the city of Los Angeles, we need at least 62 new fire stations just to serve our average daily demand. And now seeing the absolute utter devastation in the Pacific Palisades, we have no choice as elected leadership here in the city of Los Angeles, but to correct course on this and ensure that our tax dollars are being invested in the infrastructure we need to sustain a modern population and the public safety resources we need to keep entire communities safe.
When it comes to immediate needs, I know you've been speaking with FEMA, with the governor, with the mayor. What is it you're telling them you need right now? Are you satisfied with how they've all been responding?
I want to really take a moment to thank our partners at the state and the federal level. Vice President Harris personally called me yesterday and offered all of the support and resources that we need. Our insurance commissioner reached out to me and assured that he would use the full weight of his authority to ensure that our policyholders will be covered. We are really looking forward to the arrival of additional National Guard resources to help relieve some of our police officers who are already stretched too thin from some of the duties that they're doing with traffic control, so we can free them up to address other issues around the city. This really, truly has been a remarkable all-layer of government response. And I think that's really important because as we look to the future, as we head into the wet weather season where mudslides and landslides are common, and then as we look to the future of rebuilding this incredible part of our city, it is going to take the federal government, the state government, and all of us here at the local level to get this done. And it is going to be a long, long road ahead.
Councilwoman Park, we appreciate your time this morning. Please continue to keep us updated on everything.
I will. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.